router cabinet for the Bosch RA1181. Also have the Dewalt 16, or is it 618? Yeah, 618 mounted in it. This router cabinet weighs probably around 200 plus pounds, and everything's on door slides. Stained it with two different color stains. One's a Java stain for the trim, and the regular plywood portion of it is a early American, both by Minwax. Took me approximately 3 days to make. Beautiful color on the back. I like that. Works great. Secured to the top. And we'll give it a try here soon, hopefully, and make something with it. My family kept asking me, how can we put this lip on it? I have a tendency to set measuring tapes and pens or pencils, markers up here. Last thing I want them doing is falling to the ground. So that's the reason for this 1-inch lip all the way around. Anyway, thanks for watching.